Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raven Willis. I am a business contracts and trademarks attorney. And today we're going to talk about this debacle right here. Okay. There are a lot of products now being sold in celebration of Juneteenth, which was made a federal holiday recently. And a lot of products have popped up on the market, with this Juneteenth label. I don't automatically hate the fact that so many products are hitting the market. But the thing I want to talk about is this claiming of Juneteenth as a trademark. That's the thing that I have a problem with. So let's talk about what this is. As you can see in this picture that I've shown, there's an ice cream that Walmart is selling, and it's called Juneteenth. And it's got this little handy dandy TM mark in the corner of the Juneteenth, signifying that Walmart is using it as a trademark. Let's talk about exactly what a trademark is and why them putting that TM on the end of it is pretty significant. A trademark is another name for a brand name. And what a trademark does, it is a signifier to the public to say this product or this service originated from a particular source. So when you see a brand name or you see a combination of colors, or if you hear a sound, a certain chime, that is supposed to signify in a consumer's mind oh, I know exactly what company this is, or I know where this came from. That's the purpose of a trademark. Your competitors are not allowed to use a valid trademark of yours to sell similar products or services. The law says if you put all of this time and effort and money into creating an association with your products and services, we're going to allow you to keep others away from using it, because that's not going to be fair if you put all of this, if you invest all of this into a particular thing and then your competitors can just come and use it to sell their own products and services. It's not fair to you, and obviously it's not fair to your customers, because your customers would be duped into thinking they got their services from one place when really they got it from another place. That's why trademarking laws are important. They enable you to use your brand name so that way you can exclude other people from using the same thing. So when Walmart and other companies use the term Juneteenth on their products and services, what they're doing is they're saying to everyone else, you are not allowed to use this word to sell similar goods or services. I feel like if they had just said Juneteenth on this ice cream, it wouldn't be a problem. But the fact is that when they put that little TM up in the corner, that's when they are essentially telling everybody, step off. You are not allowed to use this word in association or in connection with ice cream products. And that's when it transformed into something that is harmless, into now something that I, as a trademark attorney, have a problem with. I don't think that is fair. It doesn't make any sense. Juneteenth is a holiday, so people are going to use that word to sell all types of things, including ice cream, including food, including beverages. To try to say to other people that I am laying claim to this word, a federal holiday, and not only a federal holiday, but a word that has been being used in the Black community for who knows how long, is absolutely absurd. Okay, so one of the other problems that I ran into as I was doing research on, what's going on with this Juneteenth trademarking trend? I went to the USPTO's database and I did a search for Juneteenth, and lo and behold, there were so many results for businesses that are actually using Juneteenth as a trademark and trademarking it. Now, I don't have a problem with others including the word Juneteenth with their trademark, as long as there are other elements in the trademark that make it distinctive and that make it unique. That word in and of itself is not going to be able to function as a trademark. But when you add other elements to it, for me, that's fine. That's like saying, a trademark can't have the word the in it. Well, that's ridiculous. Lots of trademarks have the word the. It's just that there are other elements that make the trademark distinct and unique. I feel like a lot of these individuals and companies who try to enforce their rights to their trademark are going to probably get challenged. And that's my next point is, okay, so what can we do with these companies that are trying to trademark the term Juneteenth and the trademark overall is not unique, like if they just try to trademark the word by itself? Well, if you get a cease and desist, in my opinion, one of the ways that, let's say if one of my clients got it, one of the things that I would probably end up doing is say, no, that's not actually a valid trademark anymore. And then I might recommend we go and try to cancel the registration, because you actually can do that. So I'm interested to know, what have you guys seen out there? If you have a link to other products that try to use Juneteenth just by itself as a trademark, drop a comment below. I'm interested to see kind of what those look like. And let me know if you guys thought that this video was helpful. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that way you are notified whenever we drop a new video. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you next time. Bye.